F6E1 is the code my Whirlpool stove is throwing. Even when I set to bake, it only uses the broil element. I can't find those codes together in my manual.
Do you know the model of your Whirlpool stove? How old is it?
No, but between 2 to 3 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool stove? What have you tried so far?
Did it about 2 months ago, turned it off, used it next day fine. Did it just this evening again and I've cut circuit breaker off right now, tried that earlier but didn't work.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nothing else I know of.
Hello, I'm Joel and we'll be glad to help you today. Please provide me with the model number of the unit you are needing help with so that I can give you model-specific information. Please keep in mind, once you give me the model number, I may have to look up part numbers and reference material for your model, so if I don't respond instantly, please understand I am working on your answer and it may take a few minutes. Thank you for your patience. Also, at some point the site is going to send you an automated phone call request. I am not sending that request, so if you don't need me to call, just ignore it.
Don't have model hash. Might be ###. Customer attachment April 26, 2020, 10:22 and 3 seconds p.m.
Open the oven door and look for a tag on the oven frame that has the model and serial number on it. If it has a pull-out drawer at the bottom, pull the drawer out and look on the frame behind the drawer and it should be there.
525 S0HV0. Do you need serial? R802258892.
Thanks for that info. Give me just a minute to write you up some information on this. Thanks.
Thanks.
There are not any F6 codes on that model. Could it have been F5E1?
It definitely was F6. Which I don't see in my manual either. All I know is when I press bake, broiler element comes on, stays on and burns my food and the starts flashing in codes. It says ERR. The F6 then off, then E1, then again. I have circuit cut off now. It did this about 2 months ago and the next day it worked fine. Hadn't done it since until today.
OK, power back on and press cancel start to enter the diagnostics mode. See what code it is showing in diagnostics.
OK. TAT. TSD is showing. Customer attachment April 26, 2020, 10:46 and 19 seconds p.m. What now?
Press the up arrow or plus key about 5 times or until you see an F code.
F6. Then R. Flashing and then E1. Customer attachment April 26, 2020, 10:49 and 18 seconds p.m. Customer attachment April 26, 2020, 10:49 and 59 seconds p.m. Customer attachment April 26, 2020, 10:50 and 14 seconds p.m. Do I let it keep blinking or hit end?
OK, that is strange because the model does not show usage of the code. However, there are similar models that do, which leads me to believe that your board may be bad. That error on similar models means F6E1 equals over temp cook, either a bad sensor or board. You can check the sensor with an ohm meter. It should be about 1100 ohms at room temp. If not, it's bad. If so, the board is bad. You can end the diagnostics.
Where is it located? The sensor.
The temp sensor is the probe you see protruding out of the back of the oven. Back wall inside oven.
Do you have part #S on those items for this model?
The board you need if the sensor checks out is range oven control board part number, W11256088. The sensor is range oven temperature sensor part number, WPW10181986. You may find it on eBay or Amazon, or you can just Google that part number and you will find plenty of places to order it from online. In order to rate the answer, you have to use the star rating system. You must click on one of the empty stars. The 5th star to the right is the best. If you are using text, you should have been sent a text requesting you to rate my assistance, and also an email. If you are on a desktop, the star rating system is at the top of the page. It's a set of 5 empty stars. Click the 5th star to the right. If you are on the mobile app, scroll to the bottom of the page and you will see Rate the Expert to finish. Thank you for doing this, I greatly appreciate it. You can still ask follow-up questions at no extra charge after rating.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.